Yeah, students, yesterday we are already completed that our lecture one Newton laws of motion. Okay, now we are going to read the Newton laws of second lesson. Yeah, we already completed level 2 questions in a lecture 1. I hope may you solve that remaining. Okay, may not solve I thought. Okay, that is now we are going to the lecture number 3. Level 3. Yeah, one second, all the students here. There is a what is the level number 3? Questions are there. Measure of inertia. Okay, so many times they repeated the question. Measure of inertia is a mass here. Measure of inertia is a what? Mass. Okay, there is here 11th question. It is taken as mass B. 12th one. If no force acts on a body, it will. No force acts on a body, it will what? Okay, here what we consider, if no force acts on a body, it will get displaced, move with the increasing speed, move with the decreasing speed, either remains at rest or move in a straight line. Okay, if no force is acting on the body, it will be continued its own state. Means either may remains at rest or it moving in a straight line. Unnecessary, it is not increasing its speed. Unnecessary, it is not decreasing its speed. And as well as net not displaced here unless until the force is acting on the body continues in the same state only. Got it or not? It is same state only. Got it or not? It is continued in the same state. Okay, that is the question answer is okay D. 13th one. If two forces are applied on the same body at the same point and the same direction, then the resultant force is equal to what? The resultant force is equal to what here? Here the sum of the forces acting separately, the difference of forces acting separately, the product of the forces, the sum of the square of the forces. Okay, this is only here we consider. What we have considered once again the question. If two forces are applied on the same body at the same point and in the same direction, the resultant force is equal to. Okay, now all the students listen carefully. Here, this type of situation they are considered. Yes, here they are applied. There is on the same forces are applied on the same point in the same direction. Okay, clear or not? Then the resultant force is sum of the forces acting separately. The difference of forces acting separately. The product of forces are acting separately. The sum of the square of the forces acting separately. No, it is not like that. As it is equal to yes, sum of the two forces. Okay, not sum. We are not taken any other multiplication or a square like that. Okay, simple thing here. Yes, you and your friend is working with the same force on a same one point. Okay, now first you are push one thing. Okay, it may not move. Okay, another your friend is on your same hand. Again, you are also given force. It will be moving or not? It will be moving. Why? It is the sum of your two forces here. Got it or not? Yes, here there is on this particular point, there is a F1 is the working and as well as the F2 is the working. Now it is become what? The resultant is the become F is equal to the total force is equal to F1 plus F2 only. Yes, that is the sum of two forces. Answer is A. Yes. And next one, 14th question. answer of the 14th question. Okay, one second. What they given? A force 100 newtons acts on object towards east direction. Another force of 50 newton acts object towards the west direction. The net force is acting on the body of the object. It is what actually? If two forces, yeah, these type of questions we are not discussed in a synopsis. Okay, all the students listen carefully. This is a very important question. Okay, now in your 8th class, next academic year, first lesson, we have this type of the things. Force lesson it is there. Okay, now one second. Now there is a whatever we have considered here. There is a two forces are there. Suppose the net force acting on the body. The net force acting on the body is equal to what actually? The similar forces are working. It's what in one direction there is a number of forces are working. We are taken it is a sum. Okay, F1 and F2. Okay, there is a same in the direction. Okay, clear or not? Forward forces we called it is. It is a taken as what? F is equal to taken as F1 plus F2. Okay, otherwise there is a one more thing after lines here. There is it is a one force, another force. One force is working here, another force is working here. Okay, the sum is become F is equal to become F1 minus F2. The resultant is become yes, opposite direction, it will become defense. Okay, not only in these two directions. Okay, clear or not? Like this also. Got it or not? Up and down also here F1 and other F2. It is equal to what? F is equal to F1 minus F2. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And suppose there is considered here there is a number of forces are applied on the body. Okay, now clear or not? I here and applied. Now what we are considered? What we are considered it is sum of individual. That's it. We called sum of individual. In case one force is taken as positive, another force is taken as negative. How you know? Suppose here we taken F1, it is taken as F2. Suppose it is taken as F3, it is taken as F4. Okay, clear or not? What is the total force working on this body? Okay, how we consider it is? Yeah, initially you have to write F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4. That's it. Okay, but the next there is a what we are considering F1 is opposite to the F2. That's why in case you take F1 is a positive, you take it as a negative. F3 is a positive, suppose F4 you have to should make negative. That's it. Got it or not? Depending on the direction only we are consider it is. Got it or not? Yeah. Now there is a after this question we have to again write all the things. Okay, in a particular manner. Yes, and here what is they given here actually? They given what 100 newtons in a one direction. Which direction? East direction. You know very well it is the east direction. Okay, now and next one is a what? West direction. That is why only the scalars and vector we are already discussed the directions how we are considered. Okay, clear or not? Now it is in a west direction. It is a 50. It is how much they taken? 100 newtons. It is how much they taken? 50 newtons. You know very well. Capital F is equal to 100 and minus what? 50 newtons. It is become what? 50 newtons. F is equal to how much? 50 newtons. Got it or not? The answer is B. Okay. Next to 15th question. What is the 15th question? If two forces of magnitude 10 newtons and 20 newtons are acting in the same direction on the same body, then the resultant force of two forces, there is a simply how to draw the diagram. Okay, it is called actually free body diagram. Okay, clear or not? It is called a free body diagram or a forces on the body diagram. FBD. It is called FBD. Very important to draw the FBD for the solving all the questions are related to the force. Got it or not? Now this is the F1 and next one this is the F2. This is the 10 newton. This is the called 20 newton. Okay, now total F is equal to taken as what? 10n plus 20n. It is equal to become what? 30 Newton. Okay, the answer will become C. Please note down this all. Hello. Is it clear? Clear visible? Yeah, listen all the students. I hope it is completed. Next, how to draw there is here this type of the things. Okay, now there is no so many things are may get for us. Okay, somewhat examples we have to take the resultant force in a various situations. Okay, now yes. For this purpose, I want to give one tabular format. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and you have to yes draw it. Yeah, if in case there is a two forces or three forces or number of forces may have in a one direction only, the resultant will become sum of like this. Got it or not? Yes, I am taken here the same thing. It is the number of n forces I am taken here. Fn. Okay, no. N is equal to somewhat whatever number may have it here. Like that, if we consider, then F is equal to taken as sigma n is equal to 1 to okay, no, n. Okay, n is equal to 1 to n is equal to n. Fn. Okay, what is the meaning of it? Did you know the mathematics? Don't know. When we write that sigma, okay, now suppose I am taken n is equal to here, n is equal to 5. I am taken. Okay, what is the expansion of this one? You know, n is equal to 1 to 5 of Fn is nothing but what? F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus F4 plus F5. Got it or not? The meaning of it is like this. There is may you get in a mathematics sigma nothing but sum. Okay, sum from where to where it will be provided. N is equal to 1 to n. N value may they given. Okay, at that time you make it sum. Okay, suppose I am given 5 forces here, different type of forces. May one is I am written here 2, 10, 20. The individual sum we have to consider. Got it or not? Yeah, in this way you have to take. Now there is a from where F1, F2. Okay, it is F1, it is F2, it is F3, like that Fn. Got it or not? Number of forces we are considering. This is the second one. Next one, third it is. Got it? It is the third one. Okay, third is nothing but what here I am taken another opposite here. Okay, clear or not? One is the F1, another one is F2. The capital F is equal to written as F1 minus F2. Okay, clear or not? When there is a forces are in opposite direction, you take the sum is as opposite to the one another. Got it or not? Yeah, some other situations also. In the place of this F1 and F2 in your problems, they given numbers. Okay, sometimes they're not given numbers. Okay, they given in this particular situation also. Okay, clear or not? There is a F1, another one is 2 into F1. Okay, what is become resultant one? The resultant one is become resultant is hence F is equal to taken as F1 plus 2F1. That is equal to become what? 3F1. And here I am taking like this here. There is a this is the F1. This is a minus 2F1. What it is a become? Minus 2F1. It is become minus F1. Got it or not? Resultant is become F1 minus 2F1. Okay, clear or not? In a minus direction. The body is moves in which direction? This direction. They asked me a question like that. There is a 20 Newton force is working. There is a 10 Newton force is working. In a east direction, there is a 10 Newton force is working. In a west direction, there is a 20 Newton force is working. Okay, in which direction the body moves? Once again, my question. Okay, now east direction, there is a 10 Newton force is working. In a west direction, there is a 20 Newton force is working. Okay, now in which direction the body moves? Any branch, friends? Yes, anyone? Please raise your hand. Once again, my question is, yes, one is the 10 Newton force is working in a east direction. Okay, now, and as in another direction, the west direction, it is working 20. Otherwise, in our problem only, you have to take a 14th problem in this mode. Okay, 100 Newton force is working in a east direction, 15 Newton force is working in a west direction. The body moves in which direction? West or east? East direction. Why? Because east side 100 Newtons are there. Here west side 50 Newtons are there. There is a what? Most force is where it is in a east side. There is it will be applied. That's why that is a moving in a east side only. Got it or not? Where there is a greater force is there. Okay, now where there is a greater force is there. At that particular situation only the body moves. Got it or not? Yeah, this is the what actually now. There is a minus F1. Okay, now means what? There is it is a moves in this direction. Okay, clear or not? Yes, this moves in this direction. Okay, clear or not? Where the greater force is there, in that particular with this magnitude, it is moves. Okay, clear or not? Magnitude means what? Number. Okay, whatever number will get. Suppose here I am taken 100, here taken 50. The minus is become what here? 50 minus 50. Okay, yes, got it. But in a west direction. Okay, in this way we are consider the resultant force. And again there is a this one. Yeah, here there is you have to write. Okay, now I am taken a forward forces of positive here. Somewhat F1 minus F2. You have to should write. In case F1 you write plus, you have to write it is opposite to the F1. That's why you have to write minus F. Yes, suppose I am taken F3 is a positive. You have to take F4 is a negative. Okay, clear or not? In this mode they are considered. Okay, this type of problems are also may get only just they are given numbers. Okay, now you are substitute the numbers in this. Got it or not? I hope you got it here. Yes, and now There is, I am taken one more here. The value is the same now. Suppose, okay, there is a what happened? F1, F1, F1 only. Now, what is the resultant one? What is the resultant one? F1 plus F1, F1 plus F1. When there is a both are in same direction, you are take adding or not it is. Yeah. Next what? Minus F1 minus F1. It is become what? 0. Okay. In that place, as they given a question like that, there is a what? 100 Newton force is working in a east direction. 100 Newton force is working in a west direction. The body is in a moving or in a stable. The body is a moving. The body is in a stable. Tell me now, the body is in a stable. Why? Because there is the opposite direction. Equal forces are there. The body not moving. Okay, clear or not? There is the opposite direction. The body is the content. Body experienced by the same forces. The body may not move. Okay, clear or not? In this direct, in this way, there is they are considered. Okay, now there is a number of questions are may get from this particular part. Okay, please note on this all. Yeah, next questions. IIT Advanced G sheet questions are there. Assertion and reasoning questions. One check it here. A tablecloth can be pulled from a table without disfolding the dishes. To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, a tablecloth can be pulled from a table without dislodging the dishes. Okay, both A and B are true. Yeah, there is a both A and B are true. Okay, but there is a not explanation given by the first thing is about a tablecloth can be pulled from a table without dissolving the dishes. Okay, clear or not? Yeah, it is a possible. Yes, when there is a what suddenly we are moving. Okay, the things they may not fall down. Okay, why? Because you know very well what the inertia working here. Yes, rest of inertia is working. Okay, clear or not? Yes, when you are take here somewhat coin, okay, any coin, okay, and you take it is on one particular whatever wooden block or otherwise a paper. Suddenly you remove that coin, that whatever wooden block or a paper from that coin. You are take it is below that there is any glass. It will may fall down in a glass or not. It will be come with the paper only. No, suddenly you have to move it. It will be not come. Okay, yes, you take a time, it will be may come with you, but it is suddenly we are moving. Okay, it may fall down in where? It is may fall down in a glass only. Why? Because it is not ready to move. Okay, clear or not? Which is the coin is not ready to move, it will want to become in a rest only. That type of inertia is called what? Inertia, rest of inertia or inertia of a rest. Okay, clear or not? Yes, why? Because the body want to continue in the same state. It is not ready to change its original state. It is a content tendency to change its original state. Okay, it is a first law actually. Whatever inertia is the first law. And whatever given the reasoning what to every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction in there. Okay, that is when we are okay pull there is all the tablecloth, it will be may fall down, but they not fall down means okay dislodging means okay they are again settled in the same places means there no reaction. Okay, clear or not? Because of the first law it will be occurs, second law it is correct only. Whatever statement is there, it is a correct only. Every action is a content reaction with the same magnitude but opposite in a direction. That is called Newton's third law. Okay, clear or not? Yeah, that is the reason and as well as the yes assertion. Both are correct only. One is not explained. Another one. Yes, there is answer is A. A second one. Multi-reason type questions are they given. In case of a book lying on a table, then which of the following is incorrect? Okay, clear or not? In case of a book flying on a table, then which of the following is incorrect here? Action of a book on a table and a reaction of a table on a book are equal and opposite and are either inclined to vertical. Okay, action and reaction are equal and opposite and act perpendicular to the surface of a contact. Action and reaction are equal but act on the same direction. Action and reaction are not equal but are in the opposite in direction. In case of a book lying on a table, then which of the following is incorrect? Okay, now yes, action of a book on a table and reaction of the book on a table are equal and opposite. That's why are inclined to vertical. Is not correct. Action and reaction are equal and opposite, act on perpendicular to the surface of contact. It is a correct. Action and reaction are equal but are action in the same direction. Not it is. Action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction. The B and as well as the D both are correct only. Okay, clear or not? Simple thing. Okay, for this purpose may not to go anywhere. Okay, now simply how this is a what actually why it is a become stable now. This is a given action. This is given what reactions. That's why it is a become stable. Okay, in case I am taken, it is in air. It is fall down. Why? Because there is a no action here done on this particular duster. Okay, in the dust on the duster. Okay, on the duster it is a what actually on the duster it is placed on this particular book. The duster is giving action on the book. Book is giving the action on the duster. So many you don't know when you stand on the earth. There is only because of us there it is we not stand on earth. Okay, earth is also giving force on us. Okay, clear or not? We are giving force on earth. Earth is giving force on us also. Got it or not? This is why there is a what? Every action is a contained reaction with the same magnitude but opposite in the direction. Got it or not? It is a contained same magnitude but opposite in the direction. Okay. Yes, that is only. But they are given in a first option inclined and a vertical. Okay, got it or not? That's why it is not taken. It is as the answer. Okay, clear or not? When you take incline means what? Incline nothing but making somewhat angle with the surface like this. It may fall down. Got it or not? It is may fall down. Okay, clear. Whatever action is given by this book, it is not enough. Okay, clear or not? It is not enough. Okay, now the gravitational force is a more. The whatever book force is the less. Okay, that's why it is a fall down like this. Got it or not? Yeah. Now that it is our answer B and as well as the D. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Next, third one. The columns are given as the following. Okay, now inertia of rest. Which one is the called? Inertia of rest. It is the called Newton's first law. Yes, inertia of motion. Okay, now it is called as Newton's first law only. It is inertia of motion. The both are contain the same answers. F is equal to ma. It is a Newton's second law. We already discussed in our class. F is equal to ma. Okay, now and as well as now we are discussing action is equal to minus reaction. It is a called Newton's third law. Okay, clear or not? Then A is matched with the what? A is matched with the what it is P, and as well as B is also matched with the P only, and C is matched with the what? Newton's second law Q, and D is matched with the SR. Okay, Newton's third law. Got it or not? Got it or not? This is only about third one. Interior type questions are given. Okay, 1 Newton is equal to how many dynes? It is important one. Okay, all the students, please be note down. Don't go away. It is a conversion based question. What is the fourth question? 1 Newton is equal to yes, 10 to the power of x dyne. Okay, clear or not? Actually, the force is equal to what we written ma. Okay, and based on this one, what is the units? Mass units are what? Kgs. Okay, what is the units of acceleration we are taken? Meter per second square. Got it or not? This is only we are considered. Dyne is nothing but what you know. There is a dyne is CGS system unit it is. Yes, CGS unit for our force it is. Okay, now it is become what is case centimeter, sorry, gram. Okay, clear or not? Centimeter per second square. Okay, got it or not? When the both are become equal, there is not equal, na? Yes. Now we want to write there is a 1 Newton is equal to what I am write 10 to the power of Sx into dyne means what? 1 Newton I am written as like this. Dyne is nothing but like this. Newton is nothing but like this. Okay, now you have to write here 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter per second square. Here you have to write 10 to the power of x somewhat. What we have to write? Gram centimeter per second square. You have to convert this every value into what? As CGS system. Okay, 1 gram, 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Okay, clear or not? 1 meter is equal to how many? Okay, centimeters, 100 centimeters. Okay, you have to substitute here. Okay, now yes, 1 kg is equal to taken as yes 1 kg meter per second square is equal to taken as 1000 grams into 100 centimeter by second square. Second, no changes. That's why we written as 10 to the power of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, written or not? Yes, into gram centimeters. Okay, per second square. Okay, clear or not? Now it is what? Dyne or not? 10 to the power of 5 dyne. Then x is equal to what? X is equal to what is there here? 5. Answer is 5 for it. Answer for the x is what? 5. Okay, got it? Or? 1 Newton is equal to how much here? 10 to the power of 5 times. Please note.